My name is Adil. There was a time in my life when uncertainty made me uncomfortable. If I did not know what would happen next, I felt anxious. If my plans changed, I felt stressed. If my future looked unclear, I started worrying. I wanted everything to be predictable. I wanted clear answers, clear plans, clear results. But life did not always work that way. One year, many things changed at once. My studies became more difficult. My plans for the future became unclear. Some of my close friends moved away. Everything felt uncertain. My mind became full of questions. What will happen next? Am I making the right choices? What if things don't work out? These thoughts followed me everywhere. Even when I sat quietly, my mind was restless. One evening, I went to the terrace of my house. The sky looked cloudy. The wind was moving slowly. I sat down and watched the clouds. They moved slowly across the sky. Some clouds looked dark, some looked light. But after some time, the sky began to clear. That moment made me think. Uncertainty is like clouds. They cover the sky for some time, but they do not stay forever. The next day, I spoke with my elder cousin. I told him about my worries. He listened carefully and then said, "Uncertainty is part of life. If everything was predictable, life would stop growing." He continued, "When you don't know what comes next, you learn to adapt. You become stronger." His words gave me comfort. That day, I decided to change my mindset. Instead of fearing uncertainty, I accepted it. When my mind started worrying, I focused on the present. What can I do today? What small step can I take now? I started studying daily. I practiced English regularly. I focused on improving step by step. Slowly, my mind became calmer. I realized something important. You do not need to know everything about the future. You only need to take the next step. Life becomes easier when you stop worrying about everything and start focusing on small actions. Now, when uncertainty appears, I no longer panic. I remind myself, clouds pass, situations change, and calm thinking helps you move forward. Final thought. Uncertainty is not always negative. Sometimes it creates new opportunities. Stay calm. Take small steps. Trust the process. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep moving forward. And always remember, stay calm even when the future is unclear.